Hey everyone, welcome to Illegal Alien Racing. So this session is the very first time that I drove the new GT Max rental karts out at Dallas Karting Complex. It's a two-stroke 125cc kart that is the next level above the regular rental karts. You have to get a minimal lap time in the regular rental karts to be able to drive these. I think it's like 75 seconds or faster, but make sure you check with the track to see what that time is. I think that's what it is though. And I'm out here with my friend who is looking at getting into karting, and we're just going to go out here and drive and see what this thing is like, and I'll come back and give you my thoughts on it after.
What's your braking point on that straightaway, the first straight?
I'm kind of taking it easy because of the brakes are really soft on this one.
Okay.
They should be warm by now. Here, I'm about to go up there. I'm gonna get one lap in. I'm going to slow down and let you catch up. Let me know when it's time for me to go.
Okay. Coming up behind you.
Let me know when you're right up on me.
I'm pretty much right up on you.
All right.
Driver you are.
I'll get behind you next lap. Here, I'll slow down, let you get in front of me.
Sorry, man.
No, you're good. No, you're right. I don't know how your brakes are, but you can't. On this one, you got to brake early. Like, it feels like they won't lock up.
Yeah.
You need to be earlier there on that right-hander. Turn in earlier.
Turning in early?
Yep.
Same thing all the time on that turn.
You're right by the curb. Braking too late, huh?
Yeah.
It's all right. Yeah, I gotta be careful, man. I think it'll send you. Let me get in front of you. Okay, I'm gonna slow down a little bit. Here's where I turn. See?
Yeah.
And then right here. Ah, I missed it there. Hey, right here, real important. This part right here, I'm gonna slow down. You wanna come in, be about right here, ride the curb, come out wide, and then turn apex about right here. Okay?
Gotcha.
I'm gonna hit the brake right here. Go ahead and get back in front.
Are you full throttle in that until you get to that braking zone in the first straight?
What turn? Hold on. Come out wider sooner. No, you're good, man. I'm following you.
Oh, okay.
All right, remember, this is the last chance. Hold that curb, ride that curb. There you go. Yep, just like that. Just come in a little sooner, but yeah, that's it. Cool, man.
All right, so that was my first ride in the new GT Max, and I think this kart does accomplish what you're looking for, which is to go significantly faster than the regular rental karts. This kart is a little bit of a handful to drive at times because it's a rental kart that goes really fast. But overall, yeah, had a good time in it. I think you should check this one out, the GT Max, and then after this one, the next step up is the 100cc kart, and the one after that is a DD2 at Dallas Karting Complex, and you're going to have a blast in all three. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Take it easy.